This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide online on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots or your profile picture to access settings. From there, select Privacy. Now, tap Last Seen in Online. To truly hide, choose Nobody for who can see my last seen, and then select Same as Last Seen for who can see when I'm online. This ensures your online status is hidden from everyone. Next, let's manage your status privacy. Return to the main privacy settings and tap on Status. Here, you have three options. To hide your status from certain contacts, choose My Contacts Except, and select those individuals. If you prefer to share only with a few, select Only Share With, and pick your desired audience. This gives you complete control over who views your daily updates. To further enhance your privacy, let's disable Read Receipts. In the privacy settings, you'll find the Read Receipts toggle. Simply switch this off. This means others won't see the blue check marks indicating you've read their messages. Keep in mind, this also means you won't see when they've read yours. It's a two-way street for increased discretion. Finally, let's secure your profile photo and about information. Back in privacy settings, tap on Profile Photo. Select Nobody to ensure no one can see your picture. Do the same for the About section, choosing Nobody there as well. These two simple adjustments complete your privacy setup, making your WhatsApp presence as discreet as possible. You've now taken several steps to hide online effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.